All right, we are at Buc-ee's. We're hauling a 33-foot Southport, and I am happy to say that this trailer is no longer bending. I picked up this trailer a couple weeks ago, and this thing had almost 8 to 10 inches of deflection. When I originally picked it up, I had to be on the top hitch pin position, and the trailer had absolutely no support from this point forward, and the winch stand was up against the bow of the boat, which necessitated the removal of the windlass just to get the boat onto the trailer. It was almost a 4-hour debacle getting this on. So I made 3 new cross members, reinforced this entire front box area, built a custom bow support, and now that supports the entire front of the trailer perfectly. No more bend.